Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name's Emma. I'm documenting my first allotment plot and it's going to be at bloody door. Right, I'm at the plot today to check on what's died because we had frost and we had a lot of wind yesterday, so I'm here today to try and I'm going to re-sow some of the seeds as well. A lot of my seeds got knocked over. I've got another jam sandwich for Foxy. Just wanted you to know this medicine is homeopathic medicine, so I cannot overdose on it. So if you got worried yesterday that I was killing the fox, I wasn't killing the fox. It's homeopathic, so it's I can't overdose on it. It's all natural ingredients basically. So I've got another jam sandwich for him. So I'm going to medicate. Oh god, Foxy again. Foxy. Looks like my neighbour's got a new shed, which is massive. He's on the roof staring at me. Right, so he took the sandwich, which is excellent news. He did like the sandwich. So we're going to medicate this one and give him another one. Good thing Foxy likes jam. Let's try and give him 4 drops this time and not 100,000. Right. 3, 4. There we go. It looks like Foxy has eaten it, so we'll put another one there for him. Medicate the fox. Alright, let's look at the damage in the plot. Peas have survived. I don't know if we've even had frost, but they've survived. Oh, look how big that pea's getting! Oh my god! Where's the other pea gone? Oh, I've lost it now. Lost it. Oh, there it is. Oh god, that's getting big too. These ones are surviving the slugs and snails. I know they're eating them, but they seem to be growing still, so that's good. You can see a little bit there, but that's about it really. Oh, and that one. Oh, and that one. Bloody slugs and snails. That's not holding on, is it? Stupid peas. They're holding on to each other. It's supposed to be holding on to my bloody structure, not each other. Let's take this off. They're alive. Also, no slugs and snails have managed to get to them because they've been under the cover, which is quite useful. Pumpkin's fine. Let's check these ones. They probably need watering. Oh no, actually I don't think they do need watering. Oh look, slugs got to that. Bastards. All that under there seems alright, but then I suppose it would. I suppose that needs the water, doesn't it? Because it's been really hot under there. Water that. Not even sure if we had frost, but at least it's all fine. It's all survived, so that's good news. Right, let's check on the dahlias. Make sure the dahlias have survived. Yes, they have. They've done really well. They actually quite like being in these little bottles, I think. So they're actually doing better in the bottles. I might leave them in. I might leave you in there a little bit. I think I need to top up the pond water because it's been quite sunny, and I think the water level, you can see the water level's dropped down. So I need to fill it up. This one looks really happy, and this one looks really happy. Actually, this one is the one that looks a bit sad. And this is sort of coming back to life with the little flowers. Don't know, it's got a chance. That one, don't know. It's funny that the ones that I thought would do the best are sort of the ones that have done the worst. There's millions of things in here now. I don't know if you can see them. Look at all them. Nothing's in my little house. Quite rightly too, because it seems to have blown down in the storm, so whatever would have been in there would have probably been crushed. If anything did go in there, it probably would have been crushed in the storm, so it's probably a good thing it didn't go in there. Well done, wildlife. Good move. I don't know if anything will want to go in there. You can build them a house, but if they don't like it, they won't move in. That's what I've learned with wildlife. It's very particular about what it likes. Try and be nice to them. You see, the birds don't come down. So I can film them and it goes in the house. It's fussy, isn't it? It's fussy wildlife. Fussy. All the critters. Can't win. Right, I was sort of expecting a bit more damage than this, but there doesn't seem to be as much damage on the plot from the wind as I thought. Sunflowers have survived, but that's probably because I tied them in again. I double tied them in that wind. So I only lost one sunflower and everything else seems to have survived quite well, so that's good, isn't it?
Okay, let's just try this one more time.
That's good. Breeze, the rocks worked. That's good. Yeah, seem alright. These have all survived. Oh shit, is that one that I've just crushed? For God's sakes. And that one. I don't know actually, they've gone a little bit crispy, some of the flowers. I don't know if that matters. Bindweed there, bugger off. Come on strawberries, don't fail me now. We're doing so blooming well. I think that might be one of our first strawberries, guys. Look at that. And that in there. I think they might be strawberries, and I got some here. That's exciting. Oh, that's very exciting. I think we're going to have quite a few strawberries actually, which is excellent. I'm wondering if I should cover the strawberries with some kind of netting to stop birds from eating them. Because I know they're sitting up there waiting for them to turn red. Sitting up there waiting to eat my strawberries. I know they are. I know they are. Bloody birds. Bloody nature trying to eat my stuff. Yes, that's the cry. I know. There's a bloody bird in the bloody pond and I just bloody missed it. I swear to God they wait for me to come in my shed and then they go in the pond. Look. There he is.
Oh, my tree.
Oh look, Ali, sit down and be quiet because I think the bird's going to go in the pond. Flipping heck. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's a bloody bird in the bloody pond. Bloody bird in the bloody pond. Oh my God. Well, that's the closest I've got to filming a bird in the pond. That's the closest I've got. It's just a spider. That's fine. Where is he? There he is.
It's the spider likes climbing into woodchip.
Yeah, great. That's great.
That's scary.
Right, okay. Good, he can stay under there.
Forever.
Forever. There he is. There he is. Oh God, oh he's in my sunflowers now. Right, okay, that's it. Don't go near the sunflowers.
He's on this.
This is massive. God, is it an actual onion under there? That's crazy. I don't know if you know the story, guys, but I didn't even plant these ones. These ones just sort of came up. He's doing really well. Whoever planted them obviously knew what they were doing. This is massive. It's like a monster onion. Crazy. That's exciting. I have no idea when to pull it up. I don't even know if it's anywhere near ready yet. I've got a bloody clue. I've never been very good at knowing when vegetables are ready to harvest. Like, I remember when I grew my first carrots at home, I pulled them all up and they were like that big. So, some things are obvious like peas, but some things like onions, I don't know. Carrots, I don't know. I don't know. I haven't got a bloody clue when they're ready. Got a bloody clue. So this is what sort of happened to all my pots. They all fell over and tipped out, which is really annoying because this, whatever this is, it's growing.
I'll just screwdriver for this.
I wonder if I can save that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I might be able to save that one, I don't know. I think it might be a sunflower. But yeah, it's quite annoying that everything just sort of fell over. I don't know if there's anything in that one. Oh, there is. That one's growing. Okay, that one might be alright. Now I really don't know what they are. Right, I'm going to have to sow some more. Start again. Start again. How many times have I had to start again? 10 times I had to start again. Let's start again. Right, this is my last attempt now at sunflowers and sweet peas because I've officially run out of seeds. So this is just sunflowers and sweet peas. Hopefully I know the difference when they come up because I can't be bothered to label them as usual. I'm not due any more wind, so hopefully these ones survive because this is my last chance at growing them. Not that I haven't got sunflowers, I've already got sunflowers, but it'd be nice to have some sweet peas. So, right, okay, let's water them in. going to go cover everything over because I think we might get frost tonight. Bloody door. Yeah, I'm going to cover everything over. I don't know if we'll get frost, we might not. So I'm going to do it anyway, just in case. Hope you're enjoying the daily vlogs. If you are, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And I will see you in my next vlog tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.